Hi, this is Miss Lavodi, and this is how to use Adobe Spark Post to add text over your social awareness collage. We left off from TiSV Sketches Pro, and now we can add text using Adobe Spark Post. Click the plus icon and add an image from your photo library. This is your collage image. So you're going to search for your finished collage image here. And then you're going to tap over to where it says original size, so that way you see your entire image. And then when you double tap the text, you can edit it, and you can add in a phrase or quote or word that you want to see on your project. Spark Post gives you a lot of options as to how to adjust text. There's color options that can be customized. You can adjust the shapes of your text and opacity. So I'm scaling my text out and tapping on font and selecting the type of font that I want to use. Since I want to mimic Barbara Kruger's text, I'm going to use a sans serif font and italicize it. And I'm going to put a color bar behind it by using the shape effect, and then I'm going to duplicate that and type in the next portion of my phrase. You can easily scale up and move and rotate your text and place it wherever you need it. Try to design your text in an interesting layout and think about contrast and composition of your text. Once you have your text where you want it, you can click the done icon, and that will bring you back to your main screen. If you click the up arrow in the upper right hand corner, you can export your image to your device and save it. And here's your finished social awareness digital collage.